Hey, I'm Nurse Amy from www.doomandbloom.net, and I'm half the team of the Doom and Bloom. I like to think of myself as the Bloom. Dr. Bones is my husband. He's actually a physician. I'm a certified nurse midwife and an advanced registered nurse practitioner. But we're here today at the Self-Reliance Expo, and we're actually doing a collapsed medicine presentation, part 2 today. We did part 1 yesterday. And we provide that entire lecture on our DVD that we have. Let me just show you this. And the reason we did this is because not every single person can be at the expo on both days. So this is just a compilation of our PowerPoint presentation, and we added audio. But we're also doing a suture class. We did one yesterday, and what we do is we teach people the techniques of suturing, also wound care, and when not to suture, which is as important as when to suture. And we use pig's feet, which was fun. And people get to throw stitches and actually learn how to suture. And we will be doing those classes at all of the expos. So if you go to future expos, we should be there. And just go ahead and give us a shot at doomandbloom.net and we'll get you signed up. Today we have some products for sale. We're actually selling the suture kit that we used during the class, and it does come with 2 pages of instructions. It also comes with 3 instruments. It comes with 2 pairs of gloves, and it does come with 2 expired sutures. Now these sutures are so you can follow along and suture to a video that Dr. Bones has made called How to Suture with Dr. Bones, and you can watch the video. You have your pig's foot, and you can actually practice suturing at home. So you can gain a skill even without having to come to an expo and do a class. So we do sell those for $20. The other things that we have today at the expo is our trauma bag. Now our trauma bag was born out of my kitchen sink bag that I call. And basically what this is a blowout bag. And you're going to have lots and lots of gauze. You're going to have your traditional standard medical supplies, but no herbal medications and not a lot of oral medications. This is mostly to treat wounds, fractures, sprains and strains, and things like that. What I have over here is what I like to refer to as my kitchen sink bag, and I actually did this for myself. Joe and I, or Dr. Bones and I, researched for a couple years about what would be a good medical bag. We put instruction sheets with all of the supplies so that you don't have to remember everything. When something occurs, you can bring out the bag, read the instructions, and it's all about what's in the kit. The other thing I did, since most people have accumulated their Band-Aids already, was I made a supplement bag of herbal remedies. And those are over here. And I have salves, and I have tinctures, and we have lots of herbal teas, including we have natural cayenne pepper, which helps stop bleeding. We have Fell's Naphtha soap, which will help wash off poison ivy, oak, and sumac. We have raw honey, which this was a wonderful find. This actually comes from the beekeeper that produces it, and they package it in little small 3-ounce packages of raw honey, which is great for wound care. It's also a good antibiotic, and it can flavor your teas. Let me tell you a little bit about this book. This book is the Doom and Bloom Survival Medicine Handbook. The reason we wrote this book is we had been getting a lot of requests from people to help us translate medical terminology, which can sometimes sound like Chinese, into English. So we wanted to put together an easy to read, easy to understand, integrated medical book, which means we've added the traditional strategies along with the herbal remedies. And it's all in here, and it's organized, and it's easy to read, and I hope you'd like to have a copy. And if you do, just go on doomandbloom.net and let us know. All right, for more information, please contact us at drbonespodcast@aol.com, and that's drbonespodcast@aol.com, or visit our website at www.doomandbloom.net. For more information about our medical bags, the herbal bags, the suturing kit, or to get a copy of our book, please let us know. I hope you visit, and I hope you get some good information. Thank you.